Welcome once more to Free Music Matters. I'm your host, Jayot. Here today we are reviewing 3 free Equalizer EQ plugins for your audio mixing situation, right? Here we have TDR Nova. This is by Tokyo Dawn, a very reputable company in the plugin business. The audio plugin business, they have paid plugins also. This is one of their free options that they offer. Next up we have a Voxengo. Looks simple, very simple looking equalizer right here. Voxengo SEQ. Right, very simple looking EQ. Voxengo also is a reputable company. Last but not least, we have Equalizer by Melda Production. Here on this channel, by using the link, you can get 20% on Melda products. So go check that out. Right, they're paid products. That is, they make premium plugins, very premium plugins. So first up, let's go with. Alright, so here we have Equalizer. Let's run our loop. Here, as I said before, Melda products are feature pack. You can change up over here is a button where you can change up your meter view. Right, we have the auto. You can set your gain, auto gain compensation, right? AGC right there. We have a limiter, right? We have a nice graph of our sound coming through our equalizer right here. We have a drive mix button. We have a gain. We have a saturation button. To get your frequency bands, you gotta double click on them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bands. You gotta double click them for them to come up. You can right click them, right, and you get the option for peaking and all kind of different harmonics, semitones, and your frequency cue knobs are in this section. When you right click, you can set up what type of band you're looking for: peak, analog, low shelf, high shelf, low pass, and so forth. But you double click them if you wanna do it manually, and they come out manually as just a peak. Alright. That's with the auto gain staging off. Yeah, this is Equalizer by Melda Production. Moving on, we're going to Nova by Tokyo Dawn, right? Tokyo Dawn. Here is another feature pack. Before we move on to Tokyo Dawn, let's jump back to Equalizer. Melda have a whole list of presets to craft your sound, you know. Alright, now let's go back to Tokyo Dan here. We have Tokyo Dan, Nova, Equalizer. Alright, here on Tokyo Dan, in this graph, you just click on the graph. In this thing, you just click on the graph and manipulate the frequency bands. You know, with your mouse scroll wheel, you can adjust the cues. Right. We have options down here for selecting shelvings and peaks. We have a gain knob down here. We have Q now for different bands. You touch them, highlight them, and they give you their settings down here. Frequency knob. Yeah, so these are nice equalizer indeed to help you craft your sound. This is Nova Equalizer by Tokyo Dan. Let's jump through their presets. Alright, this is Nova. Alright, next up, let's go to Voxengo Simple. Voxengo EQ. Don't take Voxengo too simple, you know, they make premium plugins. This is the Voxengo EQ. Here you have a simple graphic EQ setup where you have your sliders, which each slider is represent your frequency. You have frequency range from 64 to 15 kilohertz, 64 hertz to 15 kilohertz, and range from -12 to +12 dB. We have also a main output switch right here. You know, as you can hear, it's pretty easy on your sound. 64 hertz, you know, max out right there at 12 dB. Voxengo. This is Voxengo EQ. Yeah. Voxengo EQ. We have brought to you today Voxengo ESS EQ, TDR Nova EQ, and Melda Production Equalizer. They're all free, you know, free plugins for you to go check out. Go try them if you like them. They sound very great. They are premium equalizer plugins. You know, thank you for joining us once more. Thank you for jamming with us. Come back next time, man.